From raw steel to finished cars, this is how Honda brings machines to life. Inside this factory in Japan, precision meets power on an industrial scale. The journey begins where all cars are born, the press shop. Massive coils of steel roll into the factory floor, ready to be cut and stamped. Each sheet is measured with microscopic accuracy before entering the press. Giant machines slam down with thousands of tons of force, stamping panels in seconds. Roofs, hoods, and doors emerge with flawless precision. A single miscalibration here could ruin an entire batch of steel. Every piece is checked for strength and alignment before moving on. The panels now meet in the welding shop, where sparks light up the factory. Dozens of robotic arms move in perfect choreography. In just minutes, they stitch together hundreds of welds. This creates the rigid skeleton that keeps passengers safe. Precision is key. Every weld has to hold under extreme crashes. Would you trust a car built this fast? Robots never blink, never tire, and never miss a joint. This is the unseen drama of modern car production. The bare metal body now heads into the paint shop. First, it's dipped in special baths to prevent rust for decades. Then, electro-coating covers every surface, even the hidden corners. Robotic sprayers coat the car in primer, base coat, and clear coat. Inside a dust-free tunnel, even a single particle can ruin the finish. Each layer is baked at extreme heat, hardening the shine. This isn't just color, it's protection against years of weather. That glossy finish on the street started here, engineered with science. While the body shines, another process is underway: engine production. Molten aluminum is poured into molds, forming the heart of the car. These blocks are cooled, trimmed, and inspected for hidden cracks. Next comes heat treatment, strengthening the engine for a lifetime of explosions. Imagine, every minute of driving means thousands of controlled blasts inside. Without this step, the engine wouldn't survive its first year. Once hardened, the block is ready for assembly. Precision meets speed as pistons, valves, and fuel systems fall into place. Each part is installed in a sequence designed to perfection. Robotic torque tools tighten bolts with exact force, never too loose, never too tight. Human engineers oversee the line, checking tolerances along the way. Within hours, Raw aluminum has become a living, breathing power source. This is the beating heart that will carry families, workers, and travelers. The body and engine meet for the first time. Glass panels slide seamlessly into frames. Doors and bumpers click into place with robotic precision. Workers install seats, dashboards, and electronics by hand. Every wire, every sensor, every control is checked twice. Turning the skeleton into a road-ready vehicle. The line is relentless, one car every few minutes. It's a dance of man and machine, working side by side. A car may look finished, but it's not ready yet. Engineers push each one into rigorous testing zones. Brakes, headlights, and sensors are tested under real-world conditions. Every car is inspected for flaws in paint, welds, and assembly. If even the smallest defect is found, the car is pulled for correction. Quality here isn't negotiable, it's mandatory. At last. The cars roll toward the final stage, delivery. Shiny, tested, and ready, they leave the factory floor. These vehicles are shipped to dealerships across Japan. What started as steel sheets now sits as a polished machine. Ready for life on the road. From metal to motion, this is the miracle of car production. If you enjoyed this journey through the factory, don't forget, hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at the machines that move our world.